Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, my group would like to present about equities trading report, which is for our subject, which is investment and portfolio analysis, FIN552. So our group is from class BA2424A, and the companies that we have choose is MFLA and also MSM company. First of all, I would like to introduce our group member, which is me, Nadina Binti Musa, Nur Shakira binti Zamri, Mimi Shakira binti Nurani, Azrin Samira binti Hafiz, and the last one is Arisa Sofia binti Suhaimi. The content for this video is the first one we're going to discussing about the executive summary, providing on total profit, individual ranking and average, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, strength and weakness, and the second one is recommendation, the last one is conclusion. Look at the overall performance of all trades including the winning and the losing one, and both company MSM and MFLA receive closest scrutiny in this evaluation. Through the examination of fundamental and technical data, our goal is to learn more about the organization histories, financial standing, and also the current market positions. And by emphasizing the strength and weaknesses, this assessment also enables us to offer more strategic insights into potential areas of development for upcoming projects for both companies. And in order for us to delve more deeply into the topic, it also includes the evidence of our trading performance for both companies by establishment of individual and also group average rankings. And the last one will also provide a few recommendations for both companies so they can enhance their trading performance and tactics in future.
Next, we go to the profit and loss. In this slide, we can see the amount obtained or either gain or loss. This amount is taken on the portfolio value or summarized on the total gain value. The amount is also deducted from the amount of money in the trade, which is 1 million ringgit. It can be seen for here as read. The total gain value is 1,06,865 ringgit 50 cents and minus with 1 million. So gain to 6,865 ringgit 50 cents. For Mimi, total gain value is 1,930 ringgit 50 cents minus with 1 million and gain to 930 ringgit 50 cents. Meanwhile, for the total gain value of Arisa is 999,961 minus with 1 million and get loss which is 39 ringgit. As for Nadia, her total gain value is 998,852 ringgit 50 cents, and when subtracted by 1 million, the amount obtained is loss, which is 1,447 ringgit 50 cents. And finally, the total gain value of Shakira is 991,924 ringgit 50 cents minus with 1 million and also get loss for 8,075 ringgit 50 cents. Furthermore, the amount of profit and loss obtained is according to the ranking of each individual in the group report and also can determine the total and average value of the ranking. Here it can be seen from the number 1 until to number 5. The first place is Azrin Samira binti Hafiz, the second place is Mimi Shakila binti Nurani, the third place is Nur Arisa Sofia binti Suhaimi, and the fourth place is Nadia Nasuha binti Musa, and the fifth place is Nur Shakira binti Zamri. The total profit from the individual obtained is loss, which is 1,483 ringgit, and this amount is divided into 5 individuals for average profit, which is loss is 296 ringgit 60 cents. So the average ranking that can be made and determined in class BA2424A in the second place. This is because there are 5 groups in the class and the one representative from our group got second place under the first place, which is also another group in our class. After that, we go to the grading on total profit and loss. This amount can be found in the mentioned stock exchange game. Each MSM and flow company has been given a sum of 1 million ringgit to invest and trade in the stock exchange game. On this slide, we can see the highest quantity of units in MSM is 450,000 units. In the buy price obtained to RM 2.330 and the current price, or to summarize, in sell, which is amount of RM 2.40470. The amount is subtracted and multiplied by the quantity to become a gain of 63,000. Other than that, for the M-floor, the highest quantity of units traded was 120,000 units. In the purchase price obtained is RM 0.870 and decrease the current price is, or which we call as sell, in the amount of Rm0.855. The amount is deducted and get multiplied by the quantity to become a loss of 1,800.
Now I will explain about the fundamental analysis. Firstly, for the Malaysia's Holding Berhad, MSM, is a Malaysia's largest refined sugar producer. It was incorporated on 10 March 2011 and on 28 June 2011, it was listed in Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad's main market with a market valuation of 1.19 billion ringgit as of 25 March 2021. It is among the top 50 illustrious firms in Bursa Malaysia. Refined sugar goods are produced, marketed and sold by it. MSM is the 8th largest sugar refiner in the world by capacity and accounts for up to 60% of the domestic market share. Gula Prai is the flagship product that MSM is proud of. Next is the MSM financial information in 2023. The amount asset is 2.89 billion ringgit, liabilities of 1.43 billion ringgit, and equity of 1.47 billion ringgit. Then MSM received sales of 3.09 billion in that year, but the company suffered loss of amount 49.88 million ringgit. MSM Malaysia's Holding Berhad retained the profitability in the fourth quarter and December 31st, 2023, after losing 44.16 million ringgit in the previous year. This is due to the increased profits and capacity utilizations despite rising production costs. Revenue for MSM increased by 40% from 677.74 million ringgit to 949.87 million ringgit in quarter 4 2023. Now we move to the second company, Malayans from Berhad MFM. It is the pioneer in Malaysia's from milling industries. On October 15, 1966, the late Tunku Abdul Rahman, Malaysia's first Prime Minister, formally launched the 40 million ringgit new flour mill in Lumut, Perak. Dr. Lim Swee Aung described the mill as the pride of the nation. Since MFM opened, a country that formerly relied on imports of wheat flour has become self-sufficient in this commodity. For the financial information in 2023, the amount asset is 2.58 billion ringgit, liabilities of 1.13 billion ringgit, and equity 1.14 billion ringgit. Then, MFM received sales of 3.15 billion ringgit in that year and gained profit of 5.29 million ringgit. Producer of staple goods Malayan Flour Mills Berhad MFM announced a significant increase in net profit to 37.9 million ringgit for the first quarter ending March 31st, 2024 from 10.4 million ringgit in the same time the previous year. The business credit this to ongoing improvement in the flour and grain trading segment FGT operations, which gained from higher profit margin as a result of lower raw material costs as the quarter's wheat and grain price dropped.
For the technical analysis, the first indicator that we use for MSM company is volume. In this chart, we can see that there is a buy and also sell signal. The buy signal is occurring on 13 June 2024, which at price 2 ringgit 90 cents. The buy signal is confirmed as it breaks down below the resistance level, which is 2 ringgit 69 cents and also 2 ringgit 50 cents, which also straighten up the buy signal and indicates there is the potential trend reversal and buying interest has increased. The reversal trend afterwards suggesting there's a short amount of shares that are available for sales, and any remaining buyers would like to purchase them in a higher price. And the next one, we can see there is a sell signal occurring on the date of 3rd April 2024 at the price of 3 ringgit 60 cents. The high volume and price of the sell signal is suggesting that there is a strong selling signal for the company, which is indicates there are a lot of investors that are interested in buying the stock, driving the price up. The downtrend signal afterward suggests that selling pressures has increased, which indicates there is less buyers to absorb the increasing supply of shares, which causing the price to fall.
Next, we move to RSI, Relative Strength Index. On date 3 April 2024, price 3 ringgit 40 cents, MSM RSI had dropped below 30% and it was oversold. This indicates that the stock has experienced significant selling pressure. In fact, this could mean that the stock is undervalued and may be poised to rebound when the selling pressure subsides. Also, more reliable buy signals occurs when the RSI moves back above 30%. This movement indicates that the stock may gain upward momentum after the oversold period. On date 20 April 2024, price 3 ringgit 50 cents shows that when MSM RSI exceeds 70%, it has overbought conditions. Stock have experienced significant buying pressure. This could mean that the stock is overvalued and may be poised for a pullback when buying pressure subsides. In fact, a more reliable sell signal occurs when the RSI moves back below 70%. This movement indicates that the stock may lose its upwards momentum after the overbought period.
For the third indicator that we use for MSM company is moving average envelope, which is MA envelope. In the chart, you can see that there is a buy signal occurring on 18 June 2024 at the price of RM2.30. For the explanation, you can see that when the price crosses over near the lower envelope, suggests there is a period of low volatility. The breakout above the lower envelope band indicates there is an increasing increment in buying pressure and also the potentially higher volatility on the upsides. There was a breakout from the downward trend afterwards also. The ascending price and the decreasing in the lower envelope bands indicating there is a strong buying pressure from the buyers. And we can see also for the sell signal, which occurring on 5 April 2024 at the price of RM2.40. The increasing upper envelope bands indicate there is an upward trend in the average closing price. This shows there is an overall buying pressures and potential for the price to continue rising afterwards. The signal also suggests there is a strong upward trend as the price is exceeding the average price movement, and an overbought signal is being recognized on 3 April, which also indicates there is a price that increased quickly and become of value to the investors.
And lastly, we move to the last indicator, which is volume band. On date 3 April 2024, price RM3.60. Based on the stock, when the price touching or moving below the volume band, it indicates a buy signal. On April 3, 2024, there is a buy signal because the price touched the lower band. This often suggests that the stock is oversold and might be due for a price increase. We move to the sell signal. Date 16 May 2024, price RM2.88. On May 16, 2024, the sell signal is indicated by the price touching or moving above the upper bonical band. This offer suggests that the stock is overbought and the price correction may occur.
So volume for buy signal is a surge in trading volume often indicates a growing investor interest and confidence in the stock, which can lead to a bullish trend. Historically, such as increases in volume have been followed by upward price movement, and consequently, a decision was made to buy Employer shares at 99 cents on May 6, 2024, with the expectation of capitalizing on the increased investor activity and the potential for the price appreciation. So for the sell signal, a decreasing volume can signal warning investor interest and potential selling pressure, often leading to a bearish trend. As the volume continued to decline day by day, it suggested a shift in market sentiment from bullish to bearish. So to avoid potential losers, a decision was made to sell the shares at 87 cents on June 18, 2024. For relative strength index RSI, on November 9, 2023, indicated an oversold condition with the RSI falling below 30. So this typically suggests that the stock is oversold and may be due to a price reversal or upward movement. Acting on this signal, we decided to buy Employer shares at 64 cents, anticipating a rise in the stock price as the market corrects itself from the oversold condition. So for the sell signal, on December 1, 2023, the RSI for Employer company approached an overbought condition with RSI rising above 70. So the overbought condition observed on November 13, 2023 further supported this signal, suggesting that the stock price has risen significantly and might soon face selling pressure. So given this analysis, we decided to sell the share at the 65 cents, aiming to lock in the profit before the anticipated price drop. For MA envelopes, for the buy signal, on January 6, 2021, the moving average MA envelope indicator for Employer company signaled a buy at 61 cents. The MA envelope indicator, which consists of upper and lower bands around a moving average, help identify overbought and oversold condition. So historical trend and market analysis indicate that buying at the lower envelope band can lead to a significant gain as the price often rebound toward the moving average or the upper envelope band. Okay, for the sell signal, on 22 February 2021, the MA envelope indicator signaled a sell at 86 cents, and the stock price had reached or exceeded the upper envelope band and indicated an overbought condition. This overbought condition suggested that the stock price had risen substantially and was likely to experience a correction or downward movement. So based on this signal, a decision was made to sell the share at 86 cents, aiming to lock in the profit before the anticipated price decline. For the buy signal, in Bollinger Band for the Employer, on April 25, 2024, the Bollinger Band indicator signaled a buy at 56 cents, and Bollinger Band consists of a middle band, a simple moving average, and two outer bands, standard deviation away from the moving average. When the stock price touches or falls below the lower band, it often indicates that the stock is oversold and may be due for a rebound. So a decision was made to buy Employer shares at 66 cents, aiming to capitalize on the potential upward movement. Okay, so for the sell signal, on 4 July 2024, the Bollinger Band indicator signaled a sell at 85 cents. At this point, the stock price had reached or exceeded the upper band, and indicating that the stock was overbought and might soon face selling pressure. So the overbought condition suggested that the stock price had risen significantly and was likely to experience a correction or downward movement. So based on this signal, a decision was made to sell the share at 85 cents, so aiming to lock in the profit before the anticipated price decline.
There are three strengths of MSM company, which are strong production capacity, expanding exports markets, and diverse product portfolio. However, MSM company also have a few weaknesses, which are high input cost dependency on government policies and financial performance volatility.
So market for the strength of M flour, market position in diversification. So while facing some challenges, having both flour and poultry segments provide some product diversification, potentially mitigating risk from fluctuation in a single market. And the second strength is operational efficiency in production expertise. Years of experience in flour milling likely translate to efficient production processes and high quality product. So the third one is earning growth. So M flour has shown earning growth exceeding the industry average in the past year, indicating efficient operation and profitability.
There's strength and also weaknesses for MF Flour company, which is the weaknesses. We can see there is the first one is financial performance debt, where MFLA net debt position has worsened out since 2013, which potentially limiting their ability to invest more in growth or with the economic downturns. And the next one is dependency on wheat price. As a major raw material fluctuating global wheat price can impact AMFLA profitability in the futures. And the last one is financial performance profitability, which while earning growth has exceeded the industry average in the past year, the 5-year share price performance has been negative, suggesting a disconnect between reported earnings and also the investors' confidence in the company.
This is recommendations mentioning Holly Berhad MSMs. First and foremost, long-term supply agreement. A long-term supply agreement involving negotiations between suppliers to guarantee the purchase of raw material on an ongoing basis and usually for several years. This agreement is very helpful for the company, and at the same time, they will get very good benefits, for example, price stability. This benefit will protect the company from fluctuation and sudden spikes in the price of raw material. Besides that, we have cost management improvement. To improve cost management, we need to identify inefficiency and put into action way of cost reductions without compromising on quality and output. This is necessary for financial stability and achieve long-term profitability. For instance, a cost reduction program through conducting a comprehensive audit to identify all areas of expenditure. This strategy not only reduce expenses but also enhance operational efficiency. And lastly is enhanced operational efficiency. MSM Malaysia should improve operational efficiency by involving optimizations of processes and resources. So one of the main strategy to achieve operational efficiency is to invest in automation technology to reduce labor costs and increase production speed. Focusing on this area will reduce reliance on government policy and increase overall profitability. This is the recommendation Malayan Flour Mills Berhad. Firstly is long-term supply agreement. Risk management strategy, such as hedging against financial risk and diversifying investment, can ensuring predictable costs and reducing the impact of poor performance in any area. Therefore, frequent financial reviews help identify issues early and adjust strategy as needed. So by focusing on these parties, it can stabilize the debt and financial performance. Secondly is diversifications of supplier. Diversifying suppliers means sourcing from multiple regions and suppliers. This reduces the reliance on a particular market, thus cushioning the effects of global wheat price changes. It enables MFLA to bargain for good deals and making sure that supplies is always available, hence securing operational stability as well as profitability even when the market is unpredictable. Last but not least is transparency and clarity in financial reporting. Improving transparency in financial reporting involves clearly explaining MFLA financial performance and strategy, showing how earnings growth contributes to long-term value for investors. This will investor confidence by ensuring stakeholders understand the company's financial health, strategy directions, and growth potential.
In our analysis, we extensively review the overall performance of the trade conducted, especially focusing on MSM and MFLA. Our evaluation incorporated both fundamental and technical data, allowing us to gain a comprehensive understanding of a company's historical backgrounds, financial standings, and current market position. Through this dual approach, we identify various strengths and weaknesses, which inform our strategic insights and recommendation. In conclusion, the performance evaluation of MSM and MFLA reveals significant trading tactics and results. Individual and group ranking were created, revealing area for improvement. The study underscored the importance of comprehensive analysis, considering both profitable and unsuccessful transactions. Recommendations for MSM and MFLA are to improve trading performance and tactics by addressing weakness and capitalizing on strength, ensuring sustainable growth and profitability. So that's all from us, and thank you.